Hello and welcome to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a super soft and creamy malai cake without using an oven. This recipe is rich, delicious and perfect for any special occasion. So let's get started. First, separate the egg yolks from 2 eggs and keep them aside. Beat the egg whites until frothy. Then gradually add half cup sugar while beating until the sugar dissolves completely. Always add sugar gradually while beating egg whites for better volume. Add the egg yolks. Now pour 1/4 cup oil. And 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix well. Sieve together 1 cup flour and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Then gradually add this into the mixture. Did you know malai means cream in Hindi and Urdu, and it's loved in many South Asian desserts? Steaming cake instead of baking keeps it extra soft and moist. Malai-based desserts were once considered a royal treat in the Mughal era. Sieve the flour for a lighter and fluffier cake texture. Pour in 1/4 cup milk and mix until smooth. Grease a 7-inch oven-proof glass mold with oil. Pour in the batter and spread evenly. Boil some water in a pan and steam the cake for 25 to 30 minutes. While that cooking, let's make the malai. In a pan, add 1/4 cup condensed milk. Cook on low heat while stirring until it turns golden brown. Pour in 1½ cup milk, mix well and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Use warm milk for the malai to blend flavors better. Eggs provide protein and help keep the cake light. Milk and condensed milk are rich in calcium for strong bones. Once the cake is cooled, prick holes with a stick. Pour the malai over, spread dry fruits on top, and let it soak for 1 to 2 hours before serving. Let the cake rest after soaking so it absorbs maximum flavor. Dry fruits add healthy fats and nutrients. Homemade desserts are free from unnecessary preservatives. If you enjoyed this malai cake no oven recipe, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends and subscribe to Oven Foods for more delicious recipes. Tell us in the comments which is your favorite creamy dessert. See you in the next video.